Dogmatic refers to an approach to a subject or belief system that is rigid and unyielding, characterized by adherence to a set of principles or doctrines without consideration for evidence or other perspectives. It can also refer to a person who holds such an approach. The word dogmatic has its roots in the ancient Greek word dogmatikos, which was used to describe an official doctrine or decree. In ancient philosophy, the term was used to refer to the teachings or beliefs of the Stoic school. In the centuries that followed, the word evolved to take on its current meaning of an approach characterized by strict adherence to a set of beliefs without consideration for alternative perspectives or evidence. Today, the word is commonly used to describe a rigid, unyielding approach to a particular subject, often with the connotation of closed-mindedness and lack of openness to new ideas or evidence. In many cases, the term is used in a critical or negative manner to suggest that the dogmatic approach is closed-minded and unresponsive to new information or changing circumstance. However, the word can also be used in a neutral or positive sense to describe an approach that is firmly grounded in a set of well-established beliefs or principles. Now let's use dogmatic in a few example sentences. The dogmatic approach of the religious leaders prevented them from considering new evidence and alternative interpretations of Scripture. Despite the mounting evidence against it, the scientist remained dogmatic in his belief that the earth was flat, refusing to consider any evidence to the contrary. I hope my explanation behind the meaning of the word dogmatic has been able to help you better understand its meaning and context, and that you can take it and apply it in both your professional and personal life with confidence. Thank you for listening in. Be sure to like and subscribe if you've learned something new, or drop a comment below.